Happy Monday. At least it's probably a happy Monday for you because you probably had the day off. I don't know about you. Well, actually, I do know about you. You're probably not even watching this thing because you are outside barbecuing or grilling, or you're over at the beach having a good time. I don't like Monday holidays. I just don't like them. That's because I'm sitting here in the office all by myself. Don't you feel sorry for me? I feel sorry for me, so I guess you don't have to. When did we start deciding that we ought to have holidays on Monday anyway? Was it strictly to have 3-day weekends? What happened to the whole point of having a holiday on a day? Isn't that what holiday says? Holly-day? Come on now. Think about it. We're setting up all of our holidays just so you can have a 3-day weekend. I don't get a 3-day weekend. The cops don't get a 3-day weekend. Why don't we have a holiday in the middle of the week? Then we only have a 2-day work week. Think about it. And have a happy Memorial Day. Thanks.